Welcome back to Britology. Today we are taking you on an exciting journey into the future of travel. Freedom and luxury as we unveil the world's most stunning motorhomes of 2026. For years, motorhomes have been a symbol of adventure, offering the comfort of home while on the road. But 2026 has completely redefined what it means to travel in style. This new generation of motorhomes blends innovation, luxury and cutting-edge technology, creating moving masterpieces that are nothing short of breathtaking. These vehicles are no longer just campers. They are rolling palaces designed to deliver an unmatched lifestyle on wheels. Imagine stepping into a motorhome where the design rivals five-star hotels, where technology feels futuristic, and where every detail is crafted to elevate your travel experience. The latest models of 2026 combine sustainable solutions, advanced engineering, and spectacular interiors, proving that the world of motorhomes has reached an entirely new level. Each one is more than a vehicle. It's a statement of elegance, freedom, and modern innovation. Let's start with design. One of the most striking trends we see in 2026 motorhomes is the rise of sleek, futuristic exteriors that look more like luxury yachts or private jets on wheels. The smooth curves, aerodynamic finishes, and ultra-modern LED lighting make these vehicles stand out on any road. Many manufacturers have introduced customizable exteriors, meaning you can choose unique finishes, colors, and even LED accent patterns that light up at night, ensuring your motorhome is truly one of a kind. But it's the interiors where these motorhomes truly shine. Step inside, and you're welcomed by an environment designed to blend luxury and functionality. Italian marble countertops, handcrafted wooden cabinets, smart glass windows that tint with a touch, and designer furniture that adapts to different needs. These interiors are not only stylish but highly practical. In 2026, every inch of space is intelligently utilized, transforming living areas into multifunctional spaces. For example, a lounge can transform into a dining room, and a bedroom can fold away to create more entertainment space. It's a world where innovation ensures maximum comfort without compromise. Technology is another major star of 2026 motorhomes. Imagine a dashboard powered by artificial intelligence, capable of navigating routes, adjusting driving modes, and even suggesting scenic stops along the way. Voice-activated systems control lighting, temperature, entertainment, and security, making it easier than ever to manage your environment on the road. Some of the newest models even come with augmented reality windshields, projecting navigation and traffic details directly onto the glass. Safety features have also reached new heights, with self-parking systems, collision avoidance, and even partial self-driving, capabilities that allow you to relax while the motorhome handles the journey. Sustainability is also at the heart of the latest designs. Many 2026 motorhomes now feature fully integrated solar roofs, powerful battery systems, and energy-efficient appliances. These advancements not only reduce the carbon footprint but also allow for longer off-grid adventures. Some manufacturers have even introduced water recycling systems, turning used water into clean, usable water through advanced filtration. This means travelers can remain self-sufficient for longer without needing constant access to campsites or service areas. The combination of sustainability and luxury ensures that future travel is both responsible and indulgent. Of course, one of the most jaw-dropping features of these motorhomes is their expandability. Slide-out walls, expandable terraces, and even rooftop decks have become increasingly common. Imagine parking your motorhome in a scenic location and expanding it into a full-sized luxury suite with panoramic views. Some 2026 models even include outdoor kitchens, retractable awnings, and entertainment systems that create the perfect environment for social gatherings under the stars. It's not just a motorhome, it's a mobile lifestyle experience designed for those who refuse to compromise. Entertainment has also taken center stage. The latest motorhomes include immersive 4K or even 8K entertainment systems with surround sound, hidden projectors, and retractable screens that transform the lounge into a private cinema. High-speed satellite internet ensures seamless connectivity, no matter where you are in the world, allowing travelers to stay connected while enjoying the most remote and breathtaking locations. For music lovers, state-of-the-art Sound systems have been integrated into the very structure of the vehicle, offering an unparalleled listening experience. Comfort remains the heart of every motorhome, and the 2026 models take it to unimaginable levels. Bedrooms now feature memory foam or smart beds that adjust to your preferred firmness. Bathrooms rival those of luxury spas, with rainfall showers, mood lighting, and even heated floors. Kitchens are fully equipped with the latest appliances, from induction cooktops to smart fridges that suggest recipes based on available ingredients. Some motorhomes even come with built-in wine cellars and espresso machines, ensuring that every journey is accompanied by the finest culinary experiences. One of the most exciting aspects of 2026 motorhomes is how they are tailored to different lifestyles. For the digital nomad, some models feature fully equipped mobile offices, complete with ergonomic setups and soundproof workspaces. For families, larger models offer multiple bedrooms, entertainment zones for kids, and even play areas. For adventure seekers, rugged off-road motorhomes come with all-terrain capabilities, gear storage, and even drones that can be deployed to scout the surrounding area. No matter what your lifestyle or travel goals are, there's a motorhome designed to match your dreams. And let's not forget the exclusivity. Many of these motorhomes are produced in limited numbers, making them collector's items for those who want something truly unique. With price tags that rival luxury supercars or private yachts, these vehicles are designed for the elite traveler who wants nothing but the best. Yet at the same time, more affordable models inspired by these innovations are also making their way to the market, meaning that the motorhome revolution is not just reserved for the ultra-wealthy. When you look at the world's most stunning motorhomes of 2026, it's clear that they represent much more than just vehicles. They embody a new way of living, one that blends freedom, technology, and ultimate luxury. Whether you're driving along the coastline, parked in the mountains, or exploring deserts, these motorhomes ensure that your journey is as extraordinary as the destination itself. They allow you to bring the comforts of home, the beauty of design, and the innovation of the future wherever you go. This new era of motorhomes is proof that travel has no limits. The road ahead is filled with possibilities. And with these breathtaking creations, the journey truly becomes the destination.